Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini to solve issues instantly. So if you got a tech problem, homework question, or even a travel plan question, then you can go ahead and open up Gemini app and describe your issue. So it gives a smart AI-powered response in real time. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and long press on your side button here to activate Gemini. So Gemini, this is your new AI assistant from Google. Go ahead and turn on the live mode.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live, where you can explore.
I'll just go ahead and skip this and agree to the terms and condition. Now I'll go ahead and start it back up again. I want to go ahead and start on this camera mode. Now here I've got a Galaxy Bud. However, I want Gemini to show me how to connect my Galaxy Buds with my Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's go ahead and show this to Gemini. And then I'll go ahead and ask this question. Hi Gemini, how do I connect my Galaxy Buds with my Samsung S25 Ultra?
Okay, I'm ready. How do I connect my Galaxy Buds with my Samsung S25 Ultra?
Can you help me?
Okay, let's get those Galaxy Buds connected to your Samsung S24 Ultra. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Then, open the Galaxy Buds case. Your phone should detect them automatically, and a pop-up will appear to guide you through the connection process. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be listening to your favorite tunes in no time.
So as you can see, this basically replaces a basic search with actual solutions. It basically understands your natural language. It's fast and easy for troubleshooting or planning anything. So as you can see, if I just go ahead and follow these instructions, I'll be able to connect my Galaxy Buds with my Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Google Gemini to solve issues instantly on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.